Find features that distinguish it from other brands for FFZZKJ Halloween Decorations Lights string. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. FFZZKJ Halloween Lights string is made of an orange-purple lights string and a black gauze wrapped together, with a length of 10 feet, 30 LED, perfect for decorating your house into haunted house or terrifying cave. Halloween Decorations Lights string. Our Halloween lights string is made of an orange-purple lights string and a black gauze wrapped together, with a length of 10 feet, 30 LED, perfect for decorating your house into haunted house or terrifying cave. Battery/USB powered. 3 AA batteries, not included, provide power that allows you to use it in situations without a power socket, regardless of distance. USB power supply saves you the trouble of replacing batteries and keeps the light string high brightness. You can switch between 2 power supply modes at will. 8 modes. Our Halloween garland come with 8 light modes. Flashing lights escalate the horror. Short press the button on the battery case to switch as you like. Timer function. 6 hours on 18 hours off, automatically cycle the process, saving energy, no need to switch manually. Turning on the switch will default to the timer function. Waterproof components. The lights string and battery box are all waterproof, can be used for outdoor Halloween parties. Please note, waterproof can only be achieved when powered by a battery box, and please tightly close the silicone plug at the battery box socket. Applicable places. Suitable for decorating wall corner, eaves, fireplaces, ceiling, stair handrails, railings, and other places during Halloween. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.